Pankaj Upadhyay is now joining us. Pankaj, you know, we were talking about the drug angle here, and the drug angle is now intensified. And all of these people, whether it is Jaya Saha, whether it is Riya Chakraborty, her brother Shavik, everyone is coming under the scanner at this point of time. And may I also add, this is not any witch hunt. This is proper evidence that has been found by the Enforcement Directorate. And there is also one chat that I was mentioning earlier about where Sushant consumed weed as well. I'm going to throw straight across to you for more.
Yeah, first and foremost, the family of the late actor has alleged that Riya Chakraborty, in a systematic fashion, being fully aware of what she was doing, used to overdose Sushant. What was the medication prescription and what was being overdosed, that is not clear as of now. Secondly, Neeraj, the cook of the late actor, has been on record. In fact, India Today has the statement that he had given to the Mumbai police, wherein he had clearly said that the parties at Sushant's house were very frequent and that he himself used to roll marijuana cigarettes for the late actor. Now, right now, the CBI is grilling Neeraj and, of course, Siddharth Pithani, because, of course, he was a flatmate, so he was bound to know every minute detail that was going on. So what was the nature of the drugs? That is of primary importance. Where was Sushant, or for that matter, Riya or the staffers were getting those drugs? That is also a very important question. A team of Mumbai police has just stopped by. Now, there has been hectic activity here. We are keeping a tab on that as well. Now, these are very, very crucial pieces of information that will have to be found out. Now, it becomes necessary that all the stakeholders, the staffers, after this...
To just intervene right here. And I just have one point to ask you. All of this is coming to fore when the Enforcement Directorate and CBI is probing this particular case. Why is it that the Mumbai police could not probe this much? This is not rocket science. The Mumbai police could have easily found all of this out.
Now, Chaiti, there has been a whole lot of politics in this entire saga. Just a few moments back, a senior BJP leader, Ram Kadam, has raised serious questions on the Maharashtra government. He has said, now that the drugs angle has also come out, how is it that the Mumbai police, for such a long time, one, did not register the FIR, two, were they not aware at all whether the drugs were being supplied in Bollywood or to Riya Chakraborty? From where was Bollywood or Riya Chakraborty getting the drugs? He has again raised the question, was the Maharashtra government trying to save some leader by not putting out or not knowing at all? He has raised several questions. So there has been a lot of politics from day one in this entire episode. As far as the agencies are concerned, they have not really come out with an official statement, or they have not given much details about the evidence that they have at hand. But it becomes clear now that the drugs angle is involved, now that it does look as if looking at exclusivity of the chats. We do not know as to under what circumstances were those chats written. Have they been purely verified? What comes before this? What comes after? We do not know. But if you were to look at the chats in exclusivity, it does look that perhaps Sushant Singh Rajput did consume marijuana cigarettes, as has been said by Neeraj, that he wanted to give away that habit as well. Yes.
So, you know, there is a drug probe now. The level probe agencies to figure out who was consuming what and come to a conclusion, link it to the death as well. That is also very important right here. Stay on with us, Pankaj.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.